that, Captain?
Enemy, blast him!
Missile launch!
Function ceased! The winner is Metabee!
Why? Why does this always happen to me?
Sorry, sir, we lost the penguins!
Without a Medabot, there's only one thing we can do! Run away!
Well, there they go. My penguin pals are heading back to the Antarctic. I'm gonna miss them and their funny zoo.
Penguin!
Goodbye, Uncle.
Penguin! Don't forget to ride! You're my pen pal! Pen pal! Goodbye! Penguin!
Will the Rubber Robo Gang ever take over the world without the use of penguins? Tune in next time on Medabots. Today's row battle, Metabee defeats Aquamar and wins his diving lakes. More Medabots, more power.